South Florida is a sizzling market for second homes, thanks to its sunny weather, tax advantages, and vibrant lifestyle. With demand driven by retirees, snowbirds, and vacation seekers, buying here offers more than just a slice of paradise. It's a potential wealth-building strategy. Here's a video to keep you informed and entertained as you navigate this real estate journey. The South Florida Allure, a vacation and investment haven. South Florida isn't just about endless sunshine and beaches, it's a powerhouse for second home buyers looking to blend lifestyle with investment potential. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and West Palm Beach offer more than just scenic coastlines. They're cultural hubs with vibrant arts, music, and dining scenes. The state's absence of income tax attracts buyers nationwide, especially from high-tax states, driving demand for second homes. Florida's tourism industry, valued at over $100 billion, also bolsters short-term rental markets, making vacation home investments financially viable. This means that a second home here is both a retreat and a smart investment opportunity, offering high rental potential during peak seasons. Real estate market in 2024, prices, demand, and trends. South Florida's real estate market continues to thrive in 2024, with single-family homes and luxury condos remaining particularly popular. Median home prices in Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties have risen by nearly 7% in the last year, driven by demand from both domestic and international buyers. As of mid-2024, there is a roughly 4-month supply of single-family homes, indicating a strong seller's market, especially in areas with high-end properties. Analysts predict this upward trend will continue, with further price growth projected at nearly 10% by 2025. These prices reflect South Florida's unique appeal and the limited supply in prime locations. Popular areas for second homes, from Serenity to City Buzz. Each South Florida region offers a different experience, making it essential to choose a location that fits your goals. Naples and Sarasota, for instance, are celebrated for their quieter, scenic beach communities that attract retirees and families alike. Meanwhile, Miami's fast-paced metropolitan lifestyle appeals to those interested in arts, fashion, and nightlife. On the Atlantic coast, Palm Beach is synonymous with luxury, catering to affluent buyers seeking privacy and world-class amenities. Orlando, known for its theme parks, attracts families and investors interested in year-round rentals. Choosing a location depends on whether you're after relaxation, culture, or rental income potential. Cost considerations, down payments, PMI, and taxes. Buying a second home in South Florida involves several upfront and ongoing costs beyond the purchase price. Conventional loans generally require a 20% down payment, a substantial outlay that can lower monthly payments and avoid PMI. However, some buyers opt for FHA loans with as little as 3.5% down, which can help preserve cash flow but comes with PMI costs that increase monthly payments. For a median Florida home priced at around $428,000, a 20% down payment could reduce long-term interest, but requires an upfront investment of about $85,600. Property taxes in Florida vary by county, but typically range from 0.8% to 1.5% of the home's assessed value. While taxes in more affluent areas like Miami-Dade and Palm Beach counties are on the higher side, they're often balanced by Florida's lack of state income tax, which is a key attraction for many buyers. Additionally, seasonal rental homes may qualify for certain deductions, further reducing tax liabilities. Understanding these financial aspects is essential to making a well-informed purchase. Financing your second home, mortgage tips and tricks. Financing a second home in South Florida demands careful planning, especially with interest rates fluctuating around 6.6%. Pre-approval is a valuable step, as it not only establishes your budget, but can also give you an edge in competitive markets. Veterans can benefit from VA loans, which eliminate PMI, while FHA loans offer an alternative for those needing a lower down payment. With FHA loans, however, mortgage insurance is required for the loan's duration, contrasting with conventional loans where PMI drops once 20% equity is built. Working with a lender familiar with second home financing can simplify the process and may yield better rates. Some lenders offer specialized programs for second home buyers, reducing interest rates or down payment requirements. Comparison shopping is key, as even slight variations in interest rates can impact your long-term costs. Mortgage planning is essential to ensure financing doesn't erode the returns of your investment. Tax benefits and liabilities, what Uncle Sam needs to know. The tax benefits of owning a second home in Florida can make the purchase even more attractive. If rented out for more than 14 days annually, it qualifies as a business, allowing for deductions on rental expenses like maintenance, property management, and mortgage interest. However, rental income must be reported to the IRS, potentially raising taxable income. For properties used as personal residences, mortgage interest and property taxes are deductible up to certain limits, offering some relief on federal tax returns. Beyond the 14-day rental rule, owners must consider limits on expense deductions for mixed-use properties. Consulting a tax advisor can clarify which deductions apply and help you avoid pitfalls, particularly if the property's use varies year to year. Strategic tax planning ensures you maximize benefits without facing unexpected liabilities, ultimately supporting the financial viability of your second home. Preparing for property maintenance and insurance costs. Maintaining a second home in South Florida involves unique considerations due to its weather. Insurance is essential, and policies here are often higher due to risks like hurricanes. Flood insurance is also necessary in many coastal areas, where premiums can vary significantly. To cut costs, look for policies that bundle home and flood insurance, and consider installing storm-resistant features, which can reduce premiums. Annual maintenance costs, including landscaping and general upkeep, can amount to 1 to 4% of the home's value, so budgeting carefully is essential to preserve the property's condition. Maximizing rental potential, making your home work for you. Renting out a second home when it's not in personal use can be a smart strategy to offset costs, especially in South Florida, where tourism is booming year-round. Cities like Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Orlando see a constant influx of vacationers seeking short-term rentals, driven by Florida's appeal as a warm weather escape. However, the rental market comes with legal considerations. Most areas require owners to register the property and secure proper permits, which varies by city and neighborhood regulations. Owners should also consider working with a property management company to handle tenant communications, cleaning, and maintenance. These companies typically charge between 10 to 20% of rental income, but can significantly reduce management hassles for owners living out of state. Maximizing rental income also means competitive pricing and providing attractive amenities. Many travelers prioritize features like high-speed Wi-Fi, pools, beach access, or pet-friendly accommodations, so offering these can help secure higher occupancy rates. Pricing should align with market conditions, which may fluctuate seasonally. Rates tend to rise in peak travel months like winter and spring, while summer can see reduced demand. The closing process, tying up loose ends. Closing on a second home in Florida involves securing financing, signing the deed, and transferring the property title. This final stage includes a last walkthrough to ensure that the property is in the promised condition. Other steps involve reviewing loan terms, insurance, and legal documents, including homeowners association agreements, if applicable. Be prepared for potential closing costs, which generally range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price. Having all documentation ready can expedite this process, preventing last-minute hitches that can stall the purchase. Long-term considerations, estate planning, and market trends. Owning a second home is often a part of a larger legacy, and including it in an estate plan can prevent future legal issues and potential tax burdens for heirs. Estate planning for a second property is crucial, especially in Florida, where real estate appreciation is anticipated to stay strong due to demand from both domestic and international buyers. An estate plan can ensure a seamless transition of property ownership and might involve creating a trust or clearly specifying inheritance to reduce disputes among heirs. Market trends also play a role in long-term decision-making. Analysts expect South Florida's real estate market to continue growing, driven by migration from states like New York and California, attracted by Florida's tax benefits and vibrant lifestyle. Understanding demographic shifts and regional growth patterns can inform decisions about whether to hold the property as an investment, rent it out, or eventually sell it. And that's a wrap on your ultimate video to buying a second home in South Florida. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Tap the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next deep dive into real estate insights and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.